Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today, Mom, Erin, and I are out for another winter adventure. Mom and I came here this summer with Aiden and explored this place during the summertime. So if you guys would like to see how this place looks during the summer, the link will be down in the description or the little eye icon will pop up. Before we start this video, I'll make a little announcement thing. I'm thinking about changing up my channel playlist a little bit, or my videos. I want to do seasonal videos, or not seasonal, but like I want to go to all these parks I've been going to, but in every season, so you guys can kind of see how these locations look during summer or spring.
They couldn't
summer,
just check
winter,
out Instagram?
Fall. No.
Other people's pictures and videos?
No.
We have to do it?
Yes.
Oh.
So I'm thinking of putting it in like the end of the title, like this video will be Parks in Minnesota episode, whatever episode this video is, in St. Louis Park, and then winter. Or should I make separate playlists for Parks in Minnesota winter, Parks in Minnesota summer, and stuff like that. So please let me know down in the comments what your guys' thoughts are on how I should kind of organize these videos so you guys can find them better. Westwood Hills Country Club opened in 1928 with 27 holes and 9,405 acres. For many years, the golf course thrived, but by the mid-50s, it was no longer profitable. After the golf course closed, the area turned into a day camp for the locals in 1960. The city of St. Louis Park started to explore the idea of making the land into a nature center in 1970. A decade later, an interpretive building was built. Mom is getting a photo of the canoes because apparently mine wasn't looking good enough. The very first building at Westwood Hills Nature Center was built in 1981. A group of high school students petitioned to the council to take the impact of climate change more seriously in 2018. The city of St. Louis Park adopted a climate change plan that would reduce greenhouse gas to net zero by 2040. The park's $12.5 million, 13,500 square foot environmental learning center was built as a teaching tool to connect visitors to nature and a model for zero energy building construction. The building opened in 2020.
but he's posing. Get to my good side. Looking all serious, like a model. We found another deer.
The links for where I got all of my information will be in the description. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our walk. Now we have a winter video here, and hopefully this fall we'll be back for a fall video, or we'll wait for a couple years for fall video from here, just to break this location up a little bit. If there are any locations that you know of in Minnesota that you guys do want us to check out, please comment them down in the description. So if you guys enjoyed this adventure, be sure to check back next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Time for another fun-filled video. And also, if you guys want to see what I'm doing when I am not filming, check out my Instagram. That link will also be down in the description. And with that, thanks guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.